welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a collab with Alisha Kai here on YouTube. Her link to her video will be down in the description, and definitely go check her channel out. She is amazing, she have amazing content, and yeah, just spread the love. Let's get into the video. The foundation that we're going to use today is the MAC foundation. I feel like using this today, so I'm just gonna go with it, and I'm just going to put it on my sponge. My sponge is wash and clean, guys, but should I do my brows? That's why. So I'm just gonna pump a little on there, and then I'm just going to distribute it on my skin, and I'm going to do dabbing motion to blend it out. I'm so used to using the brush that it just feels like no foundation is going on my skin. Weird. Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna go in with a little more, because something with me, I just love the full coverage, but I'm trying not to do no full coverage today, just something that will cover my spots or whatever. Definitely when you're working with sponge, it does take a longer time to blend out, and that's my favorite toffee. I like it. I'm going to take the ColourPop foundation brush F16, and I'm just going to use that. To apply concealer under my eyes. And we're going to take our sponge again, and we're going to blend this out. We're going to go at the side of the sponge now, and I'm just going to try to blend out the edges and yeah, into the foundation so it doesn't look too harsh. Gonna get the sides. So I'm going to go in with this Sasha Buttercup to set under my eyes and also brighten it, and we're just going to dab that in to our skin, and also set the eye. Techniques powder brush, and I'm going in with the Le Mercier translucent powder in medium deep, and it matches my skin tone pretty close, not on point but pretty close to the foundation that I am using. So I'm just going to go in with that to set the rest of the face. Now let's move on to the eyes. I'm going for like a green at the end and a pop of yellow in the middle, in the corner eyes. So let's see how that works out. This green right here from the Morphe 35B. So just gonna dab it. Let's see. Hopefully it sticks. I was gonna do a yellow cut crease, but I'm like, you know what, so I'm just keeping it out, and as you can realize, I'm just tapping it right tap 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 and then work it in. You see that? That's what I'm doing. I really want it to, you want to bring, I'm going to bring this a little, so if I can zoom you guys in a little so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, so I want it to like fade in. Yeah, so just gonna focus on the outer and then like slowly blend it out. Staying in the Morphe 35B palette, and I love this color right here. Go back with our green and make sure we're blending. It's all about blending, guys. Blending. I'm not no blending expert, but hey, I try. Or I'm really liking it. I don't know about you, but I am really loving it. Take like a lip pencil, and this is it. It's by BH Cosmetic, and I'm going to take my LA Pro concealer in shade yellow. So I feel like that will make the yellow that we're gonna put here pop, and kind of blend it out a little. This glitter where the shimmer is and where I want the glitter to stick. Glitter, just be careful when applying the glitter, because you know it can get in your eyes, so just be careful. This here, and I'm using the Morphe E4. Take your time with this, because it's brush. So I love this brush. And I'm just going to use it to apply blush, and this is the Black Radiant in Toasted Almond. I really love this blush, and I like to bring it up because I realized when I put my highlighter on and it mixed with the blush, it just looked like a natural glow. So I like that, so I make sure I put it there, so when I go in with my highlighter it looks really nice. In my jawline a bit, and I'm going to use the Laura Mercier in Translucent Bit, and I'm going to use this side of the brush sponge and dab it in a little. Pull off the excess and then try to cut it down a bit. Don't bring it out too much. finish with the under eyes. I'm just gonna brush off here. It's time to, you know, melt these powder together and all of that jazz. So I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Extender Setting Spray. It's a long word. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Guys, so while my glue is drying on my lashes, I'm going to go in with the highlights, because as you can see, the spray really melts everything together and it's looking really lovely in person. Trust me, my makeup be looking really good in person, but I wish you guys could just see the real flawlessness, you know. Come on, open up. So I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I'm just gonna focus it right there and then bring it up. Focus it and bring it up. Ooh, that's a lot. That's too much. Oh my god. I need to get a brush. So I'm gonna take my blush and mix it in also while diffusing the harshness of the highlighter a bit. Yeah. So I just give my cheeks like a natural glow. You see what I'm saying? So my eyelash has dried down a bit. It has become tacky, so I'm just going to apply it. We're going to move on to the lips, and I'm going to line my lips with the NYX it's a eye and brow pencil in brown. Then I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Shayla collab with ColourPop in Quickie. And I'm going to go in with a lip gloss, and this is a collab with I Love Cyril E in Ultra Glossy Lip Gloss. This lip gloss is bomb, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Go check out Alisha Kai video. Remember to also hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notification, share with your family and friends.